What is it about redheads that captivates the imagination? Is it the striking contrast of their fiery hair against their often pale skin? Or perhaps it's the way their freckles seem to tell a story, each one a tiny mark of individuality? Is it the fiery hair, often a beacon in a crowd, that draws our eyes and holds our attention? The way it catches the sunlight, creating a halo of vibrant color that seems almost otherworldly? Or perhaps it's the pale skin kissed by freckles that speaks of a unique sensitivity? This delicate complexion, often accompanied by a natural blush, can evoke a sense of vulnerability and strength all at once. Whatever the reason, redheads have long been subjects of fascination, folklore, and even fear. From ancient myths that painted them as witches or magical beings, to modern-day stereotypes that still persist, redheads have always stood out in the tapestry of human diversity. But beyond the myths and stereotypes, there lies a fascinating reality. Redheads are not just a visual anomaly. They are a genetic marvel. Their unique traits are the result of specific genetic variations that set them apart from the rest of the population. Redheads are not just aesthetically different. They actually experience the world in a unique way, from the way they feel pain to their experiences with intimacy. Studies have shown that redheads have a different pain threshold compared to others, often requiring more anesthesia during medical procedures. They actually experience the world in a unique way, from the way they feel pain to their experiences with intimacy. This heightened sensitivity can extend to their emotional lives as well, making their experiences of love and connection deeply profound. This essay delves into the science behind these differences, exploring the genetic factors that make redheads so unique. The MC1R gene, responsible for their red hair, also influences other aspects of their physiology, contributing to their distinct experiences. We'll examine the research on pain thresholds and sexual desire in redheads, separating scientific findings from societal perceptions. By understanding the science, we can appreciate the true complexity of what it means to be a redhead. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the redhead, celebrating the fascinating interplay of genetics, biology, and human experience. From their unique genetic makeup to the way they navigate the world, redheads offer a glimpse into the incredible diversity of human life. Their story is one of resilience, beauty, and the endless wonder of what it means to be human. For centuries, redheads have been associated with a fiery temperament, quick to anger, and even quicker to react. This stereotype, often depicted in literature and media, paints redheads as passionate and volatile individuals. While this image is frequently played for comedic effect, it hints at a deeper truth that goes beyond mere personality traits. The unique characteristics of redheads extend into the realm of physical sensation and pain perception. Redheads do, in fact, experience pain differently than others. This isn't just a myth or an old wives' tale, it's a scientifically backed reality. Scientific studies have shown that redheads are often more sensitive to certain types of pain, particularly when it comes to temperature. This means that the way they experience the world around them, especially in terms of physical sensations, is unique. This heightened sensitivity means they might feel cold or heat more intensely than their non-redheaded counterparts. Imagine stepping outside on a chilly winter morning or enduring a sweltering summer day. For redheads, these experiences can be significantly more intense. Interestingly, research also suggests that redheads may require higher doses of anesthesia during medical procedures. This has important implications for their medical care, as standard doses may not be sufficient to ensure their comfort and safety during surgeries or other medical interventions. This difference in pain perception is not simply anecdotal. It is rooted in their genes and linked to the very pigment that gives their hair its distinctive color. The MC1R gene, responsible for red hair, also plays a role in how redheads perceive pain. The MC1R gene mutation affects the body's production of melanin, which not only determines hair color but also influences pain receptors. This genetic variation means that redheads have a different threshold for pain and temperature sensitivity compared to those with other hair colors. Understanding these differences is crucial, not just for medical professionals, but for redheads themselves. Being aware of their unique pain perception can help them better manage their health and well-being. For instance, redheads might benefit from tailored pain management strategies, whether it's through specific medications, alternative therapies, or lifestyle adjustments. Knowing that their experience of pain is different can empower them to seek out the care they need. Moreover, This knowledge fosters a sense of community among redheads, who can share their experiences and support each other in navigating their unique challenges. By acknowledging and embracing these differences, redheads can lead healthier, more informed lives. In the end, the story of redheads and pain is a testament to the incredible diversity of human experience. It reminds us that our genetic makeup shapes not only our appearance, but also how we interact with the world around us. So, the next time you meet a redhead, remember that their fiery hair is just one part of a fascinating and complex genetic tapestry. Embrace the uniqueness of redheads, and appreciate the rich variety of human experiences that make our world so wonderfully diverse. Their story is a vivid reminder of the intricate connections between our genes, our bodies, and our lives. Pain and the redhead, a tale of science, genetics, and the beautiful complexity of human life. The secret to understanding redhead pain sensitivity lies in a gene called MC1R. This gene has been the subject of extensive research, as scientists have long been intrigued by the unique characteristics it imparts to individuals with red hair. The MC1R gene plays a crucial role in producing melanin, the pigment responsible for hair, skin, and eye color. Melanin is not just a simple pigment, it is a complex molecule that comes in two primary forms, eumelanin and pheomelanin. Eumelanin is responsible for darker shades of hair and skin, while pheomelanin produces lighter shades, including the red and yellow pigments. In redheads, the MC1R gene carries a mutation that leads to the production of pheomelanin, a type of melanin that creates red and yellow pigments. This mutation is what gives redheads their distinctive coloring, setting them apart from individuals with other hair colors. The mutation in the MC1R gene is inherited in an autosomal recessive manner, meaning that a person needs to inherit two copies of the mutated gene, one from each parent, to have red hair. This is what gives redheads their distinctive coloring. But the story doesn't end there. The MC1R gene mutation has other fascinating effects on the body, particularly in how it processes pain. This has led to a deeper understanding of the genetic factors that influence pain perception. However, this mutation also affects the way the body processes pain signals. Research has shown that redheads often have a different pain threshold compared to individuals with other hair colors. This difference in pain perception can be attributed to the way the mutated MC1R gene interacts with pain receptors in the body. The mutated MC1R gene appears to influence the activity of pain receptors in the brain, making redheads more sensitive to certain types of pain. Studies have indicated that redheads may require more anesthesia during surgeries and may be more sensitive to temperature changes. This heightened sensitivity is not just a myth, but is backed by scientific evidence. This discovery helps explain why redheads might experience pain differently, providing a scientific basis for what was once considered mere folklore. Throughout history, redheads have been the subject of various myths and legends, often being portrayed as having unique and sometimes mystical qualities. Now, science is unraveling the genetic mystery behind these traits, offering a clearer understanding of the biological mechanisms at play. This research not only sheds light on the unique experiences of redheads, but also opens up new avenues for studying pain management and genetic influences on health.